Welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on Pixel 9 device using double tap on the Google logo, like me. To do that, you should firstly open Settings. Then scroll down and find System. Afterwards, scroll down, find Gestures. And here we have Quick Tap to start actions. And enable Use Quick Tap and click Take a Screenshot. And right now, when we clicking twice, double tap on our Google logo, we taking a screenshot. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.